Hi there, Doc Mountain here, and welcome you to my YouTube channel. Have you ever heard of testing jobs? Well, testing jobs involve the person who's actually been employed as a tester to actually test apps and websites for bugs. So a bug is simply an error that prevents a website or an app from actually performing the way it was designed to perform. As simple as that. So now you may be like, I have never done an IT information technology course. Well, that shouldn't be a worry because you will actually be trained. And then when you're trained, that's when you will actually be employed as a tester. So you may be asking yourself the question like, so how much will I be getting? Or mostly you'll be earning more than just in between $20 and $100, even beyond that, depending on the project that you will be involved into. So before you become a tester, you need to sign up. There are so many companies that actually give people such opportunities of being testers. So the one that I am working for is the one that I'm actually gonna introduce you to. So let me show you how you become a tester. So you need to open a browser and then you punch in testing jobs. Then you will see the website that I'm gonna show you right now. All right, so this is the site that I told you about. So you check out that icon in the top left corner. So now, since you don't have an account, what you need to do is you click become a tester instead of clicking login. Then what will happen is another page will actually load. Okay, come on. Come on. Beautiful. We are in. So it's saying sign up. So here all you would need to do is you simply punch in your email address. Then you create a password. Thereafter, you make sure you make a tick there. Just write below the password. There's a box you need to tick there, and then you click sign up. So the message will actually be sent to your email inbox. So all you need to do is to log on to your email inbox, and then you click that link that will be sent to you into your email inbox. And then what will happen is you'll be taken back to the site. All right, so now after logging back onto the site, you need now to punch in the details as those that you're seeing here, the country, your name, and everything else. And when you're done, you will actually be introduced to what a bug is and what is expected of you, how you have to report bugs. Thereafter, you will just need to be assessed. It's an aptitude test based on what they will teach you. When you pass, then you'll be welcomed on board and you begin to receive testing jobs through your email inbox. They'll be actually inviting you to different projects so as to be involved in the testing projects, and you'll be getting paid just like that. I wish you the best. Go and give it a shot and see if you're able to grab that job. Okay, so an email will be